school. She's never truly. She can speak for us like she would. Nothing like she said is right in her room. All these things that I'm never seen. But she's missed out the window to meet with her boyfriend. It's what she told me, but I'm not a daughter. She says to me, forget what you thought. It doesn't matter, doesn't have you pick up. She just said her, forget what she saw. It doesn't matter, doesn't have you pick up. She's a good girl, straight as silver. She's really enjoying herself in her. She lives in a library. And if you ask her, she'll say, we'll be at debate! Daddy will find you out. She ain't quiet, she just likes to smoke. There's a bottle of the